Hello, my name is Ken Bruni, one of the sales managers at Lakeland Ford. Right now we have the trade-in, trade-up, where you can trade in your vehicle into another new vehicle and have a like payment. I've also got a manager special on a 2017 Ford Fiesta, upgraded alloyed wheels, automatic transmission, and even a moonroof. MSRP is $17,510. You can buy this one for $13,500 or have a payment of $245 a month. I've also got this 2017 Roush F150 on manager special. MSRP is $73,710, and right now you can get it for over $12,000 off. Yes, $12,000 off on a Roush for $61,500 plus tax, tag, and title. Right now we're doing the trade-in, trade-up, where you can trade into a new vehicle and keep your payments around the same. Manager special is a 2018 Ford Explorer XLT with a sport appearance package that's going to get you the upgraded wheels, navigation, trailer tow, and suede seats. MSRP is $42,370. You can save over $5,800 off on this vehicle and buy it for $36,500 or drive it for $313 a month. Hurry in for these great savings.